Nice and lovely, guys. Welcome back in the kitchen and again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. First of all, I want to make you some fresh mint with ginger, lemon and cucumber, and also some grape. So first of all, we're going to cut up some cucumber inside of our Ninja blender. This is some grape. I'm putting some grape inside of it now. I'm using half of a cucumber. Nice one. And then I got some ginger. And I'm going to be using quarter of ginger, half lemon inside of it. Nice one. 1 tablespoon of honey. Nice one. Honey is going, but that's fine. We're going to use at least a glass of water, and then we're going to put some fresh mint in it to get a lovely flavor from the mint. We're just going to be using the leaf of the mint. Then we're going to be blending this for about 3 to 4 seconds. Nice one. Nice and lovely. So basically I just finished blending it. So what I'm going to do now is strain it by running through my strainer right like this. So basically I have the cucumber, I got the ginger, I got the lemon, and I got also the mint, which is going to bring off a lovely flavor to it. Nice one. So I'm just gonna finish straining the rest. You can smell that nice, lovely fresh mint. Nice and lovely. So after such a nice, lovely fresh mint, what I'm going to do now is get some ice. Just like this. And pour it in a glass. Ah! Man, that is beautiful and nice. So look at that. We got everything right here, as you can think of. That's looking lovely with us going. Really nice. And then some fresh mint, if it doesn't mind. Amazing. Look at that. Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. It is summer, guys, and we have to fix it up like this. Mint with cucumber and some grape, ginger, lemon and honey, water. Enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.